Good morning, this is another Thrills and Food video, but it's a very different one today. My name's Steve and we've been sent this parcel. It's not every day that we get sent a parcel, and what I think it is, I actually think it's from YouTube. YouTube creators, we're part of the YouTube Shorts Content Creators Programme, and as part of that they've had a recent campaign that's been going on, which is for, it's called YouTube Champs, and what it did, it challenged you to create YouTube Shorts for this program, and in return you can get, there's a league table, you can get rewards, and you can get all sorts of prizes. As a result of that, we got told we're going to be getting sent a prize. Don't know what it is, don't know what it could possibly be. All we know is it's a little goodie bag of stuff that could have anything in it, ranging from lights, merchandise, all sorts of stuff. Now, I'm hoping it has got one of those lights in it, because those YouTube lights look absolutely fantastic. T-shirts, they had a really wazzy t-shirt that they've given previously, so that'd be really good too. So without further ado, we'll get this open. I just want to say thank you very, very much to YouTube creators as well for giving us this, because it's one of those things, we don't get one of these boxes every single day, and we don't do it for return or anything like that. So I just want to say a massive thank you, because every time we get something like this, it really, really humbles us that anybody would give us anything at all. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this box open and let's see what's inside. It's quite a big box, so it looks like it could be something quite big in here. I haven't opened this up yet, so I don't actually know what it's going to be in here. So as we opened up straight away, you can see there is a little leaflet in there. The little leaflet says YouTube Champs on there. So with regards to that, what it actually says is, hello, congratulations on your successful completing of YouTube Champs. Thank you for I can't even talk. What is up with me? Thank you for your commitment to supporting community initiatives. Please enjoy this well-earned reward. We look forward to continuing to build this community and seeing you in our next initiative. There we go. It's a nice little certificate there for us for taking part in YouTube Champs, which is it's just fantastic. Because we've not done anything different. We've just been uploading our videos as we always do, and got asked by YouTube to join the scheme, and we did. And there we go. So yeah, that's a nice little certificate from YouTube Champs. That's the first part of what's in here. So the next thing you can see, there's something big in there as well. Looks like a huge bag of kinds. We'll take there's a green bag. Looks like a green bag here, and we've got a YouTube bum bag, or for our American viewers, a fanny pack, which is really useful. In fairness, it's not something that I would actually use. However, for anybody that's been to Florida, you'll know how useful these are and how many people do actually wear these. They might not seem the most stylish of things to be walking around a supermarket with. However, when you go to Florida, these are in abundance. And this might actually get used. Do you know how many times we go there? We've been there about at least 10 times now, going to Florida. And of course, we're going to be going next year. So maybe this will get used. And of course, it's a nice little prize to be given by YouTube. So thank you very much for that. So that's the first part. And then next we've got, we have got some wheat straw fibre sunglasses. It's quite a small box, so I don't know how small the sunglasses will be. I'll have a look and see what they look like. So it's always nice getting a pair of sunglasses, because they'll always get used. And yeah, they look quite decent in fairness. That box was quite small. I had no idea that they'd actually fit in there, but they have. So let's put them on and trial them. How does that look? And these are going to be great. So thank you very much, YouTube. Let's have a look, see if they've got any. I thought they might have had a little bit of the YouTube play button on the side or something. They don't. But you know what? They don't need to. It's just amazing that we get sent this stuff by YouTube just from uploading our memories and the stuff that we do anyway, without expecting any form of return, whether that's monetary or in the form of these sorts of prizes as well. So it really, really does humble us, and it blows our minds sometimes to think that just from starting a little channel just to instill positivity and save our memories, that could actually get some form of reward from it. So it's amazing. That's not even all of it. We've got some more stuff in there. I'm just waffling away. So let's have a look. Now, here, look at this. There actually is a YouTube umbrella. Now they say it's bad luck to put an umbrella up inside, so I'm kind of reluctant to put it up. However, what I will do is we want to see what it looks like, don't we? So it has got the YouTube play button actually on the umbrella. So that's quite cool, isn't it? So you've got your little YouTube play button umbrella, and it feels quite premium as well. It's got a nice sturdy handle, and it's got the button to put it up as well. So that just press that button, it extends outwards. All the arms on the actual umbrella open up, and they're all they feel like quite a strong metal as well. So it actually feels like quite a good umbrella. I mean, I'm not a connoisseur of umbrellas by any stretch of the imagination. However, the fact that we've been sent this, it really is amazing. So that's the third thing that's in there. And what else have we got in the box? Oh look, still a couple of things in there, yeah. So we have got a YouTube hold all. Look at that, it's got a little play button on the side of it, and it's a nice little thin bag. This is a sort of a bag that would be really great for little adventures, just going out and about here, there, and everywhere. And just it's not the biggest, but for weekends away and taking just your essentials. If you're stopping in a hotel because we're nipping to Alton Towers for a weekend or going over to Thorpe Park, this would be absolutely ideal. And it's absolutely amazing. It's quite thin. It is quite thin, but it doesn't need to be much thicker, in fairness, because it's just for weekends away. It's got a strange little flap there, and so what inside it actually here is a little zip there as well, which has got a nice little. You can put your money in there, I suppose. Get all sorts of stuff so that it doesn't get lost in there, and it's a decent size bag. I'm not sure who makes it. The actual parcel itself has come from Brand Editions. I'm not too sure about who they are or what they do, but they're who sent it on behalf of YouTube. So this actually says it's Water Org with the bag. So it's just a foldable sports bag in black. So in terms of that's the great thing about this, is the whole bag actually does just fold up into a tiny little bit. So if you're not using it, it's what you could actually do. This would be great for going to Florida, in fact, thinking about it, because what they still do is roll all the way down into a tiny little bit. You can shove that away in another bag, and when you're coming back later on, you've got all your merchandise and it can go in your extra bag there. Amazing. And that's all been sent from YouTube. But I have got one more thing that's in the box. So it's something quite small, but it's something that if you are a collector of them, you will enjoy this. So and it's quite amazing, because this will be rare, and not everybody's got one of these. So we really do appreciate being sent these things. And this is probably, bizarrely, out of all this stuff, the thing that is probably the most unique. So we have been sent a little pin badge, and it says, and it's metal as well, which is quite good, with a little pin back on it. And so anybody that collects pins, it's absolutely fantastic. You just hold it up to the camera there, and this is, let's get it into focus, YouTube Champs there. So that's a nice little pin badge to put on our metal pin bag display, and it's a nice little commemorative for taking part in that. And hopefully there'll be more of them to come, because we just got asked by YouTube to take part in this, and so we volunteer, because we just put things on anyway, whether it's on-ride videos or nice little shorts when we're out and about in the theme parks or on our family adventures, and it's not doing anything more, because that's one of the things that we always kind of talk about when we're creating content, is we don't do stuff above and beyond what we would do, if that makes sense, to create the content. So if we go to a theme park and parks want to collaborate with us, or anybody wants to collaborate with us, we don't, it's just what we do, if that makes sense. So we don't go above and beyond that. So the fact that we're just filming stuff that we just enjoy doing just because we enjoy it, and then as a result we're giving things like this, it's really good, and it is so nice. And we can't be more grateful, and I really do appreciate being sent all this stuff. I mean, one of those things at the moment, our channels seem to be absolutely thriving. I don't really know why, I'm not going to lie. We're just a family used to having some amazing adventures and enriching our children's lives, and I know we have Lots and lots of amazing comments of people supporting things that we do, and lovely messages on a daily basis. And we do receive negative stuff, and that comes with the territory. Unfortunately, you're bound to get people who don't agree with us and take the opposite view, and that's okay, as long as it's within the not bored straight into the abusive lines of those people that are thinking that we're being abusive parents for taking children to a theme park. If you have enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit that like or subscribe button. It really means the world to us. The more people we get watching, the more engagement that we get, the more travels that we can have, and the more content that we can bring you. And it really does mean the absolute world. It's absolutely amazing to be able to do what we do. And that's it from us. I'm just going to say now, I'm just going to have a cup of tea, have a chill out, use my umbrella, and put my sunglasses on, and let the positivity in, and right out. Bye guys.